This is the online gym management system created by me, and now I show you my code and output of it by running the code. This is my code. This is my main window. In here I adding a background color for my main menu. This is code for it. This code is same in all system, but I changed the color for each of them. In here, when the button is clicked, the new window is open. This is code for it. In here, when the button is clicked, the new scene is open. This is code for it. Here I adjust the labels and buttons and text fields. It also same in all system like this. I created a new stage to open the member list. This is code for it, and this is the member list. It open as a sub stage, and this is table columns and code for it. I created table names and labeled it. I created the add button for add new member. If manager wants to add new member, he can enter the details of them and click add button. This is code for it. This is code for sort the names in ascending order. I created the save button to save the newly added members. If manager click the save button, it shows the file path of text file. This is code for it. I created a remove button. If manager wants to remove member, he can select the row and click the remove button. This is code for it. Now I show you my output by running the code. This is my main menu. If manager wants to search the list of members, he should click the list of members button. Then it shows the list of members in a new stage. This is the member list. It consists of two scroll bars, vertical and horizontal scroll bars. If manager wants to add a new member, he should add details of them in these boxes. Then click the add button. This is the newly added member. If manager wants to remove some members, he can select remove button and select the row and remove button like this. Then click the save button. It shows the file path of the text file. If manager or user wants to search the member, he or she should click the search the member button. Then it shows the type of members, student members and over 60 members. If we want to search about the student members, click this button and it shows the membership numbers of the student members. Then click the student members membership number. It shows the details of that member like this. If he wants to search about the over 60 members, he should click this button and it shows the membership numbers of over 60 members, and when click the membership number button, it shows the details of them like this. Thank you.